So I could just pretend. I rehearsed it in my mind just a little bit, but not too much. A lot of people doing videos will write a script, will rehearse, and write a script and rehearse again, and even plot out all their shots and all that stuff. And write a script and rehearse again, and even plot out all their shots and all that stuff. But you know, not me. This is what's going on. I went to Friendsgiving. Friendsgiving, get it? Like Thanksgiving, but it's friends giving each other food and whatever. But anyways, one of them brought this to the job, but we didn't drink it. It was their contribution to the festivities. They didn't show up, but they brought this. Not this one. This one I got at CVS on sale. That's because I liked it that much. Check it out. It's the bottle of Jagermeister, this ginger beer, and also this really cool can, cup, whatever. But check this out. It has the instructions on the back on a Berlin Mule. A Berlin Mule, okay? This is pretty cool, actually. It was good. It's my new favorite thing now. This will last me all through December. I'm really not a big drinker. I like Jagermeister, okay? This is what was the attraction to this setup that I got from CVS. My friend told me he went to CVS and then got this, and I was like, cool, I'm gonna get one. The cup was at the party. This cup was at the Friendsgiving, but I forgot to take it because my wife was eager to leave because she had to catch a plane the next day, and she waited until the last minute. I don't know how normal that is, but I've traveled a few times and it's not good to wait until the last minute to pack. Anyways, I get distracted or derailed or re-railed or whatever, but we're talking about this. I've already had this in the freezer since I got off of work around 4 o'clock. This I put in the refrigerator. This Jaeger is supposed to be frozen, but it doesn't freeze. That's why it says right here, 18 degrees Celsius, negative 18 degrees Celsius, because that's the best way to keep this. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to, this has been in the freezer, this been in the refrigerator, and this I already washed. It's probably clean, but you know, the alcohol is gonna kill whatever's in here anyway. So okay, so just a moment, I forgot one part of the whole deal, and I'm gonna go right now to go get it. So just give me 1 second. Okay, this is my Fireball shot glass. You know, all these symbols are symbolic, and maybe children might be attracted to symbolism, whatever. Be like, oh cool, look at how cool that can is. I'm gonna put some Jaeger in it. Drinking is not for underaged. Up until you're 18, even up to you're 21, your brain's not fully developed. So please do not drink until you're old enough to drink. Okay, that's my little segue. But so that's important. Please, again, what I'm going to show you here is for adults. I'm 40 something, and people who drink are probably 21 and up, whatever, in the USA, or if you're watching this from a foreign country, whatever. But this is the Jaeger. You want to hear a fun fact? You see there's like a cross over the deer head. I didn't realize that the cross over the deer head. For some reason, I thought, oh, whoa, it's some Christian drink. Because, you know, monks in the past have made up alcohol and all this stuff. So I was like, wow, this is a Christian drink. But my sister's ex-husband went to German class to learn how to speak German, which, you know, there's some German words right here. And the German words, I have no idea how to pronounce it. I guess it's Jagermeister. I would say Jagermeister just for fun, but that's not the right way to say it. But what I'm trying to say is that the reason why this deer has a cross over its head is because the deer is about to die. It's in the scope of the hunter, and the hunter's gonna pop it right in the head and kill it. Okay? So this must have something to do with Jager. Since, do you see that? Since 1878. Okay, anyways, I digress again. Like, even if you watch all my other videos, you probably know that I go off with segues and all this stuff. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm not even sure where Jager comes from. Cold macerated essence referring to milk. Okay, whatever. I'm not sure where Jager comes from, but I enjoy it. Okay, so this is how you make a not Moscow Mule. Don't get it confused. And I probably said that already once too, and I didn't mean to. It's a Berlin Mule. Berlin Mule. Okay. Like Berlin is a city in Germany. Berlin, get it? Berlin Mule. Okay, so this is how we do this. This is my new favorite drink too. It's ginger beer, and it's got 44% sugar in it, or the daily value, whatever. Oh, 2 servings per this. But this is how we fix this. Okay. This is the can. You pour this fervor ginger beer, fervor tree. This is good. This is really good stuff. It came in this box, so whoever decided to put these two together, marketing at its best. And getting someone like me to drink it. I mean, I'm doing this for fun, for people who want a holiday drink. Thanksgiving is coming up, Christmas, New Year's, whatever. Again, please drink responsibly. Seriously. I'm not advocating any underage drinking. I'm not advocating alcoholism. Tonight, I just want to have a little treat. I'm going to just have 1 cup. I'm going to pour this and drink it, okay? So this is this. Ooh, listen to it. Sizzle, nizzle, grizzle. Ooh. Okay, so that's half the bottle in this cup here. And then the shot glass. So it says to have 1 shot. 1 shot. Pour it over the cup. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Frick, I slopped it all over the tablecloth. Not good. Not good. Anyways, I wasn't careful. That's how it goes. Put this on really tight. Put it back in the freezer for a beverage later on. Put the lid on this. This is probably not gonna last. This will last longer. I almost spilled that cup. Wouldn't that have been funny? Cheers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I have a bunch of wacky material, wacky videos and all this stuff. So cheers to Thanksgiving 2019. Happy New Year. Wow, that's good. That's really good. Wow. It's just a good combination because this is kind of a very spicy. This is a very spicy ginger beer, kind of like the traditional, like you will see ginger beer, not ginger ale, ginger beer. And this with the Jager, it's a good combination. So again, subscribe, like, share, comment, and I think if you want, there's a little symbol, bell symbol, and if you want to get in touch on my latest videos and see what I'm ranting about, and actually I don't rant, I take that back. Anyways, maybe I'll get a better grasp of the English language in the next couple videos. Wouldn't that be nice? Cheers.